Oh, we really need to apologize for technical issues that we are experiencing this afternoon. Please just bear with us. We apologize for technical issues we have been facing this afternoon. Please just bear with us. Are you struggling to manage your business expenses? Wondering where your money should go so as to maximize growth? In today's video, I'll show you how to prioritize your operating expenses so that every naira works in your favor. Good day, everyone, especially entrepreneurs and business owners. You are welcome to today's live stream. If you are tuning in, it means you are looking to master your business budget, and we are going to dive into one of the most important aspects: how to prioritize your expenses. My name, as usual, is Jeta Kokola, and I'll be guiding you through the key steps to ensure every naira you spend is working for your business. Before we get started, I want to know where you are watching me from, and I'd like you to let me know the nature of your business. Also, do not hesitate to share this video, especially to your fellow business owners. Like it, and of course I'll be waiting for your questions at the comment section. And if you are watching me on video, if you are watching me on YouTube, please do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel and also click the bell so that we can always put you on notice for our upcoming videos. So let's get started. The question is, why prioritizing expenses matters. Why you need to prioritize your expenses. Let me let you know, budgeting is crucial for any business, whether you are just starting out or already established. But here's the challenge: knowing where to cut costs and where to invest can be overwhelming. If you spend if you spend too much in the wrong things, your growth can get stalled. Also, if you spend too little, you might be missing opportunities. So how do you make sure your business expenses align with your goals? That's what we are going to break down in this video today. Let's just look at step 1. What do I need to do? Step 1, identify essential costs. Identify essential costs. You need to separate your essential costs, those expenses your business simply can't operate without. Think about things like rent, salaries and wages, payroll, and of course utilities. These are your must-haves that keep the lights on, that make the wheels of your business to turn on. So you need to create a list of these essentials so you can clearly see what you can't compromise on. This will form the backbone of your budget. And if you will watch till the end, I have a gift for you that can help you in how to categorize your expenses. Let's go on to step 2. You need to differentiate between fixed and variable costs. Fixed and variable costs. You want to categorize your costs into 2 types: fixed and variable. Fixed costs are your consistent, predictable expenses. In this case, you think of rent, insurance, salaries, lightings, and so on. These costs don't fluctuate much. These costs don't fluctuate much month by month. Then there are also your variable costs, like inventory, your marketing expenses, and of course production materials, which can change. It can change based on demand, based on your level of production. Understanding this difference helps you see where you have flexibility and where you don't. Step 3. And before we go into step 3, I'd like to remind you once more, share this video, share it so that others can benefit from it too. Also like it, and of course ask your questions. Ask your questions in the comment section, and you will receive answer. We are waiting for you at the comment section for you to ask your questions. Also, if you are watching not on YouTube, do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel and budget. Prioritizing these high impact areas, but keep in mind that not all investments will pay off right away. Some require patience. Maybe let me just repeat myself here. So prioritize these high impact areas, but keep in mind that not all investments will pay off right away. Some require patience. Step 4. You need to cut or reevaluate essential costs. You need to cut them or reevaluate them. Look at your non-essential expenses. These are the costs that did directly affect your business. Did they affect your business operations or growth? They don't have effect on your business operation or growth. Such non-essential expenses are like subscriptions, software you barely use, or even excessive travel expenses, entertainment. All this does not really have so much effect on your business operations or growth. So you have to look at this and ensure that you cut back here and there. When you cut back, you can free up more funds to be put in the essential expenses. So in other words, you need to invest in areas that matter more. It's all about strengthening and it's all about strengthening and being strategic with your spending. Before I round up, I just want you to tell you once more that you need to share this video to fellow entrepreneurs and business owners. Like this video, and also please ask questions. We are ready to answer your questions. If you are with us on YouTube, I'd like you to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that we can notify you when next we are here. So let me just wrap up. Budgeting is a set it and forget it activity. It is not something you just set and you forget about it. No. So it involves process. Number one, prioritize essential costs. Differentiate between fixed and variable costs. Focus on high return on investment and cut back on the non-essentials. And don't forget, you need to continually review your budgets regularly. Your business needs it, and if you do it regularly, it will change your business. It will have enormous effect on your business, and your budget should evolve with them. I hope this helps you gain a strategic and of course clarity on how to prioritize your expenses and maximize the impact of your business budget. If you find this helpful, give us a like, share this video with your fellow business owners, and also your questions in the comment section below. Let's keep the conversation going. I want to thank you for tuning in, and I'd like to see you in the next live session. Until then,